Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in last class, we all have learned about system software. I told you about operating system, language processor, and utility software. But today, we are going to learn more about categorized applications software. So, we'll start with the questions. Now, students, I have typed three questions for you all. You all have to share your experience. Some examples of language processor. You all have to tell me this all answers in the Zoom class. Only you all have to search and you all have to tell me the answers in the Zoom class. Some important functions of operating system, that is OS. Purpose of a utility software. Purpose of a utility software. Students, now we all have seen about system software. Our next topic is application software. Application software is software which is do a specific work on the computer. Example, paint program is doing the specific work for doing the paint, or drawing a picture on computer. Calculator is doing to solving the sums. Now, application software has a two type. First, general purpose application software, specific purpose application software. So we are going to see the two types of application software. Journal purpose software means that everyone can use that software for their regularly work or journally work. Specific purpose means, example, railway ticket software. So it works for only booking the tickets, or example, any businessman wants this software for the company, that it will make a software for the company, that is for the specific work. So you all tell me the some examples of general purpose software. Microsoft Word, very good. Then after, Photoshop, PowerPoint. Specific, billing at supermarkets, railway station. Okay. Now, in course book, page number 17, we are going to see the textbook for general purpose application software. First software is word processing software. You all hear this word in the fourth standard about different type of word processing, where we can write the letters, stories, report, paper, any document work that are related through the word processing software. Some examples of word processing software are Word Perfect, Word 2013, Open Office. These all are documentation software where we can type the letters. Then after, spreadsheet software means where we can make a list of in the table manually, table in a table form. Rows and columns are there. Example, Excel, Open Office, CLC, that is calculator, and Lotus, where we can do the rows and column and make a different type of tables. Then after, database management system means if a school is there and school want to record all the data of the students, so need a software. Database management system is a software program that let you store large amount of data in a manner. For example, Oracle, Access, FoxPro, OpenOffice.org and Base. Then after, DTP, desktop publishing software. This software is used to creating desktop of layout, books, journal, brochures, newspapers. Example, the design, different type of design. Example, our book, this book designs is made in a different software, the design of a book. So these all are a publishing software, and examples are Quick Press and Adobe InDesign. See the pictures. Then after, graphic software. Graphic means where we can edit the pictures, different type of pictures. We can edit our pictures, Adobe Photoshops. Then after, multimedia software, where we can edit our sound, pictures, videos. That's are the different type of software. There are Adobe Photoshop, PowerPoint 2013, OpenOffice. Presentation software are, example, if teacher is showing you something, so she will prepare a presentation to show you the presentation properly in the class of the topic related. So presentation software is to it is a mix of a design that create with multimedia purpose. So you can see specific, I already told you what is a specific. Specific means for a specific purpose. Example, railway station, supermarket billing system, payroll systems, or airport tickets counters. So you all have to refer it properly. You all have to find out one example of word processing software, desktop publishing software, graphic software, multimedia software, and presentation software. As I have discussed you from the course book or even the different type of application software, you all have to give one answer. In the Zoom class, I will ask one by one all the students about the examples of one software from this given picture. I hope you all have understood the concept I taught you today. So you all have to find out examples I have shown you in the video with the picture. Bye students, be safe, stay home.